Picture this, you have a brilliant idea, a unique product or service that you are very passionate about. You can't wait to share with the world and turn it into a thriving business. So naturally, you decide to set up a Shopify store. Very popular platform that promises ease of use and potential for great success. But here's the thing. Starting a Shopify store isn't as simple as it seems. Behind the appealing facade of sleek templates, user-friendly interfaces, it's a journey, right? It has unexpected challenges, hidden complexities, and things that you just may not know right now. So as someone who has embarked on this path before, and we have helped hundreds of clients, hundreds of, I would say, Shopify e-commerce clients, there's a few things that we all wish we would have done differently. So number one is to define your niche and target audience. One of the crucial aspects I wish and other clients have wished is that they would have focused early on actually defining the niche and identifying that target audience. Who is it actually that this product that I'm creating, who is it for, right? What do they do? Where do they hang out? What are their age demographics? Are they female, male? It's like, I think a lot of people do focus early on too much on having this great product and like, oh, this amazing, like really cool design and whatnot. But at the end of the day, you do need to understand your ideal customer. And that's going to be key in order for you to create effective marketing strategies, developing email notifications, SMS, diving a little bit deeper into that personalized shopping experience. And I do see a lot of people making that a mistake, thinking product first instead of target demographic first. And I think that doing so is going to help you a lot. Coming in number two is to prioritize user experience. So a visually appealing store is important, but do not underestimate the significance of a smooth user experience, right? So optimizing your website's loading speed, ensuring intuitive navigation, making the checkout process seamless. Like, remember, a frustrated customer is just a click away from leaving your store and literally never coming back.
No, I'm never coming back.
Now, if you're interested in seeing some best practices when it comes to having the perfect store, we do have a video. We have two videos actually on Shopify stores and best practices. And this will actually help you navigate some of these more detailed minutia, right, for your website that will definitely make a difference on your store. Now, the third thing that we wish we would have done differently is investing in high quality product photography. So human beings, we are all very visual creatures. And when it comes to online shopping, product photos and even product videos actually play a vital role in influencing purchasing decisions. So investing in high quality product photography that actually showcases your items, zooms in into details of the item, provides different angles, and just provides accurate representations is going to be absolutely crucial. So remember, customers can touch or feel your products. Like the compelling visuals are going to be your best chance to actually make a lasting impression on those people who are visiting. We've talked about this product photography, product video extensively, I think, on this channel. And we even have videos outlining how to do it better. And 100%, this is one of those things where this can make or break your website. A lot of these websites out there rely heavily on photography, not just of the product, but just the lifestyle photography that you see on the homepage, on the banners, on all these things. So photography is something that is going to be expensive, and yes, it's going to be time consuming, but I think at the end of the day, high quality photography and just lifestyle photography in general is going to be very important. If you're thinking about this business as something that's going to be long-term and you're heavily invested and you figure out those other things, then product photography is going to be important. Now, the fourth thing that we wish we would have done differently is hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. Yes, I'm just kidding now. Number four is building a strong brand identity. I've actually started to talk about this a little bit more extensively because I think when it comes to conversion rate on your website, people who are early on just starting out with their brands and their Shopify stores, they miss this crucial step, which is brand identity. They just kind of slap a logo and then they keep the same fonts and the same colors that predetermined by the theme. And they just ignore the brand as a whole. They again, heavily rely on the product when you need to be looking at a more fuller picture for your brand. A well-defined brand definitely is going to set you apart from competition because, again, a lot of people are not doing this. It's also going to help you develop trust and confidence within your customers, right? It's going to help them connect a little bit deeper with you as a brand. It also entails creating a brand voice, creating a logo, ensuring that you're having consistency, right, across your website, social media, email, packaging. Your brand should evoke emotions, right, and resonate with your target audience, which is that number one. And again, building trust and loyalty over time. So all these things are going to be important in order to long-term build your brand. It's not something that happens overnight, but I think building a strong foundation is going to be super, super important. And like I said, a lot of times, like, you definitely want to launch your store, launch your products, and test the market without having to go sort of all in, right, with this whole idea of a brand. But very early on, I think you will realize that having those elements, having a good logo, having a good brand voice, it's definitely going to help you convert even those early customers who have no idea who you are. Now, the fifth thing that we wish we would have done differently is actually developing a robust marketing strategy. So like launching a Shopify store is just the beginning, literally. Like without effective marketing and without running ads, your online store may just remain hidden. Like nobody's gonna see it. So exploring various marketing channels, social media, we're talking about email marketing, SMS, content marketing, influencer collaborations. The idea I think here is to experiment, make sure that you're measuring results, and then you're refining your strategies to reach and engage that target audience more. In this channel, my business partner Aaron actually has a lot of videos on how to actually build these marketing strategies, how to run Facebook ads, how to run TikTok ads, and how to sort of like put it all together. So highly suggest that, again, you subscribe to the channel and then you watch both of our videos. I think watching both of our videos will get you a fuller picture, right, on what you need to do. Now, coming to number 6 is to continuously analyze and adapt. So successful Shopify store owners understand the importance of data analysis. So using tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar to track like website traffic, server behavior, sales trends, all those things are going to be very important. And analyzing this data will help you identify strengths and weaknesses, actually make better informed decisions, and adapt your strategies accordingly. I think one of the most important things, and something that you should learn from me and hundreds of other customers that we've helped, is to stay agile and be willing to evolve as you gain insights from your store's performance and as trends change, right? These are going to be things that are very fluid and moving, and things that it may work for someone, but it may not work for you. It may work in January 2023. It may not work December 2023. Staying agile is going to be very, very good for you in the long run. Now, all these things right here are things that we wish we would have done differently, when starting a Shopify store, but that's not the end of it, right? I would suggest that after watching this video, you actually go check out the 5 marketing trends that every Shopify clothing store owner needs to be doing in 2023. These are things that right now, this year, you need to be working on. So don't miss that. Go watch it right now.